he wants to meet you because he's very curious that you are actually playing Imelda right now and you wrote the script. Eh, teka, sinabi mo bang comedian ako? Eh, kasi serious role yan. He doesn't care. Sabi niya, oh, di maganda. Sabi ko, parang I could not believe na hindi siya biased. So, I went for audition and luckily, I made it. Kasi sabi niya nga, it's a plain canvas and, you know, you can interpret it the way you want it. So, we became good friends. Si Bob Markovitz, when I played Imelda there.
And how was that?
Very
Filming here in the United States.
Hindi po siya dito sa Pilipinas at saka sa Australia. Pero alam niyo, pag artista, I think, it's okay to talk in Tagalog.
Yes.
Okay.
Oo, siyempre.
Parang you cannot really choose which sequence you're going to shoot. So I was so scared, no? Tapos yung buhok ko, ang laki. Hindi pa nakukuha ng mga Australian fashion. Ano yun, yung hair makeup, hair stylist nila, yung Imelda look ng mga Pilipino. Tapos sabi ko, oh God, sabi ko gano'n, first day ko pa naman ang shooting, sana hindi masyadong mahirap yung in my mind, sana hindi masyadong mahirap ang eksena ko. Lord, tulungan mo po kami.